Welcome back, boys and girls, to another motor vlog. We are heading to Morrison's in Weybridge because I am meeting with my cousin. We are heading to Ockham Bites, right, like Ockham Bites Cafe, because they have their first Ockham Bike Night, and I've never been to a bike night, so I thought, you know what, I'll record it, my first-hand experience. Last time I was there was at the end of O's ride out, and it got a bit messy. I say messy, it's just, I think there was a couple of complaints on the Facebook page that they have, which, understandable, but you know what, people are going to act on their own accord, you can't control everyone. But yeah, it's a lovely day. I mean, it's currently 5:30 and the sun is still beaming. I'm probably wearing a bit too many layers, but I know it's going to get a bit chillier later, so always be prepared. I can always take a layer off and wrap it around my waist, which we're not going to do, because then I just have my Under Armour, which looks alright, but I like wearing a hoodie. So whilst, you know, I'm riding to Ockham, well, to Morrison's in Weybridge to meet my cousin, whilst I'm riding, I thought, you know, I might ask the channel what more content you want to see, or what content you want to see more of. I have thought about doing like the rebuild videos. I did record, obviously, like I said, the GSXR conversion on the front, so I might do some of those, because I don't want to just be moto vlogs. I'll be honest, I think moto vlogging in general is a little bit plain, unless you're doing adrenaline fueled stuff like wheelies and endos and riding through traffic fast. Like, I know some of the younger people want to see that. Some of the older watchers might want to see more like country roads, track time. I really want to do track day. I think that'd be a really good series, my first track day, building up to it. Obviously I need to learn a lot more at the moment. I need to learn how to like properly lean and put my weight into it, but that will come with experience. So that's where I was thinking I may do a journey series, like journey to a like first lean sort of thing. Like, I know you naturally lean with the bike anyway, but things I can do to practice, you know, like maybe get the cones out again and start doing the figure eights and whatnot, you know. I think that'd be quite a good series, like getting ready, well, just becoming a better rider in general. I think that'd be a good series, and I'm like the perfect candidate because I'm already on a big bike. I'm a little bit older than most people that start on YouTube, and I've got a lot to learn still now. Like, I don't even feel confident riding one-handed, but I'm trying to do it. I know you don't need to do it, but it's just a little bit easier on my back and my legs. But yeah, so I think that'd be quite a good series, like learning how to lean, getting better at braking, cornering, you know, all sorts of things. There's loads of things you can learn ready for track. So, and I've got a couple of mates that do track days, so I can maybe get them involved, and then film my actual first track day. I know you can't have the GoPro on your helmet, but I can always attach it to the bike or something, so hopefully it's kind of for that and wipe me out. Thank you, mate. Nod of approval, because some people don't watch or look. So yeah, obviously this bike, there's not really much left to do on it build wise. I think maybe just a new look, which I'm still contemplating what to do. I still don't know yet, so not at the police in there. They're like you more, boys. I'm not a hooligan. Although my jumper I'm currently wearing from Catch Me Go says "Catch me if you can," so that's not great. That's like #1 hooligan slogan, you know. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, whether you want to see those sort of series, so like rebuilds, like journey to track, and then just, obviously I still do the motor vlogging, maybe some POV rides, but the POV rides are a little bit boring if you're just riding to London, so I need to find some nice country roads, which I'm sure can be arranged. But yeah, I'll catch you when I get to Morrison's. What donkey! Right, boys, so we're with the hooligan squad. You got 2 MT-07s, MT-10. These boys are donuts. Hey, trying that, boys. Hey! So we've gained an extra, boys. It's always an indicator problem, boys. I always know that. It's always a fucking indicator. His indicator fell off. Do I want an MT10, boys? It's a big bike. I might have to give it a little test sit, you know what I'm saying? Pardon?
Cheers for that. I actually didn't know this was here.
Oh, did you not? There's this one. You've been to 𝗦𝗽cie Cafe?
No, I live down in Portsmouth.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you got this one, and there's another one in Dorking.
Right,
it's called 𝗦𝗽cie Cafe. That's like another big one.
Right, 𝗦𝗽cie, yeah?
Yeah, it's called 𝗦𝗽cie. That one's more on a Sunday though.
Right, okay. Is this like every day? Yeah.
This on Tuesdays. This is the first one of the year.
What's this open? What is on the sign? What's this one called?
This one's called Ockham Bites. Ockham Bites Cafe.
You look ugly as fuck. Let you take the judgment.
You know, I'm sure I've seen this one on TikTok. Mate, that's fat. Chill out. Thought you was gonna leave without saying hi. I saw you. I was like, 𝗦𝗽cie. You didn't hear me. You live local. What? Guys, he just proposed to her. What the fuck? Oh, boys, this is the strip, mate. This is our local strip. Look at it. Should I give it a go, boys? Should I give it a go? Right, that's it, boys. Hopefully you enjoyed that little video. It's not a big one, not much going on. Couple of bikes, but trying to get the content when I can, boys, when I can, because I don't get out much, like I said. But you know, hopefully in the summer I'll have a bit more time. I can have a bit more time off, and I can get out a bit more, get some good content, learn a few more things, you know. Not like turn this corner, because that was really bad.